Bullish OMG organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.67 and $10.18 by 2030. Market investigators accept OMG could reach $4.67 by 2025. Bearish OMG organization market cost expectation for 2022 is 83 cents. OMG organization presentation. The OMG organization is a decentralized installment network that utilizes a sidechain engineering to bunch a few exchanges off-chain into a cluster, which can then be confirmed as a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain, as indicated by OMG organization. This innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to great many exchanges each second, rather than the 10 to 14 TPS Ethereum 1.0 is presently prepared to do. The organization depends on an original scaling arrangement called More Viable Plasma, created by OMISCO, an auxiliary of OMIS. What is OMG organization? OMG organization is a non-custodial, Layer 2 scaling arrangement worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It is intended to permit clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens altogether quicker and less expensive than while executing straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG network is decentralized and empowers quick, minimal expense exchanges in any resource. The local badge of the OMG organization is designated OMG. OMG tokens are utilized to pay exchange charges on the OMG organization. Later on, OMG tokens will likewise be stackable. And that implies that holders of the tokens can acquire compensations for assisting with getting the organization. OMG organization was previously known as OMISCO. It was established in 2017 by Jun Hasegawa and Donnie Harinsat. The organization is situated in Bangkok, Thailand. In 2018, it was procured by OMIS, a main Southeast Asian installments organization. OMG value history. The OMG token was first recorded on digital currency trades in July 2017, and its cost immediately rose to a pinnacle of $12.51 on September 7, 2017. Be that as it may, the cost then encountered a rectification, arriving at a neighborhood low of $5.52 toward the beginning of November. Following this, during the crypto market's bull run in November-December 2017, the cost of OMG took off to its untouched high of $32.29 on the 8th of January 2018. From that point forward, the cost of OMG has vacillated somewhat consistently between around $1 and $4. On the 15th of February 2018, OMIS reported that it had collaborated with Shinhan Bank, one of South Korea's biggest banks, to send off an experimental run program testing blockchain innovation for cross-line cash moves. This news ignited restored revenue in the OMG token and brought about a critical cost increment throughout the next days. OMISCO is intended to empower continuous, distributed esteem trade and installment administrations across wards and authoritative storehouses in both government-issued currency and decentralized monetary standards. OMG specialized investigation. The by-and-large negative pattern that started in November 2021 has additionally been affirmed by the 5100th EMAS going about as a unique opposition. This is a specialized marker that shows long-haul financial backer feeling. OMG will probably keep on declining in the next few long stretches of time. Longer-term financial backers might need to consider averaging down their situation or sitting tight for a more huge dunk prior to repurchasing it. The new cost activity gives us trust that the bear market is either at an end or, at any rate, a relief from the solid negative pattern. In the H4 time period, the cost hit a help level, making a climbing channel. This could show an inversion in pattern, or at any rate, a time of solidification before the following move. Besides, on the everyday time span, we can see that cost has additionally tracked down help and has started to shape an upset head and shoulders design. In the event that this example works out true to form, it could flag a move back up to ATHs. Consequently, while there are still a few worries in the market generally, signs propose that Ethereum might be prepared to in practically no time stage a recuperation. For those keen on money management, watching out for these improvements will be significant in coming to informed conclusions about when to trade ETH tokens. The market is without a doubt looking bullish right now, with the cost reliably making better upsides and worse low points inside the bounds of a distinct cost channel. OMG organization current cost. OMG organization is right now worth $1.04 USD. OMG has moved 1.70% as of now with an exchanging volume of $16,643,901. OMG organization is right now positioned 130 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $145,677,975 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for OMG organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, OMG Organization OMG Cost Expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of OMG will before long outperform $2.60. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the OMG's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, OMG will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.08 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.29. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.64 and OMG might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. OMG is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.32 and a low of $3.12 in 2024. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that OMG Organization effectively supports market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the OMG coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, OMG will be green in 2025. The OMG is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.67, with a base cost of $4.15 and a typical cost of $4.36. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the OMG cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.40 by 2026, with a base cost of $5.19 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, OMG has a most extreme value worth of $5.71. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.44. On the off chance that OMG figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $6.75. Neglecting to assemble the help OMG needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $6.23. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2028. While OMG is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $7.27 and a yearly cost close above $7.79 in 2028. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, OMG Organization will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $8.31 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $8.83, averaging out at $8.52. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many